I've had this American Standard Champion Max 4 toilet for several years, and over the last few months it's gotten so that it flushed weaker and weaker to the point where it could barely get toilet paper out. And I've searched on the internet for multiple things that can cause a weak flush, and none of them were working till I finally found the correct answer. But I'll kind of go through the different steps from what I've learned and what my final solution was, but yours could be different things. So first, if you take the back off, you can look in here, and you want to make sure that the water level is up fairly high. It can be a ½ inch to a ¼ inch from the top. Some people will adjust this float over here so that it's just about at the top. It probably doesn't have to be that high. And you just twist this screw that makes this float go up or down. The other thing is that this chain, you want to make sure that it's not too loose. A ¼ inch of free play. Mine's probably a little tight now because I was tightening it up as I was trying to work on it. Now, if you've done those two things, one of the websites talks about taking a 1-inch PVC coupling and slide it in here so the water level will be a little higher. But that makes it no longer a 1.28 flush. It would increase it, to 3 or 4 or 5, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5. And I found, once I found the right answer, that really wasn't necessary. So the thing that can cause the flushing to decrease, particularly as the months and years go by, is that there's a series of holes that are jets that are fit underneath here. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. I'll try and direct it up there. And what you can do is just take a paper clip and stick it up each hole. And I found that on my toilet, the port that goes in the port, and then they all go to the left clockwise. And you can clean all those out. That didn't solve it for me. The thing that did the big solving was what had happened was this bottom jet, there's a pipe there, and it actually seems to split in 2 directions, and it had built up so much calcium that they were blocked. And so first I took a hanger and just kind of pushed it and broke it through, and then I used a toothbrush to kind of scrape out some more. I used a little bit of a pumice stone and cleaned it even more. Just kind of pushed it in and around, got that out. And then just to make sure, because of the calcium there, I wanted to decrease the amount of overall calcium. So I put vinegar in the toilet and let it sit overnight, and then cleaned it some more. And then also, if you pour some vinegar down this tube, it will go to those jets and will help dissolve some residual calcium there. So I think one of those things should help solve the problem for you. Thank you.